Alright, you little mathematicians, part 2 of this video series out of 3, finding a percent given a part and a whole. So again, we have this little setup here where it's part over whole, part out of a whole, a certain ratio, a certain fraction equals a certain percent. And any of these things can be blank. Last time we were looking at when we don't know the part. This time, we'll be looking at something different. Let's check out this problem. The school principal spent $2,000 to buy some new computer equipment. Of this money, $120 was used to buy some new keyboards. What percent of the money was spent on keyboards? Alright, so the total amount of money that the principal spent, the whole, was $2,000. And we're focusing on a particular part of that money, the $120 that the principal spent on keyboards. What we're wondering about is what's the percent. So here we go, 120 is the part, 2,000 is the whole. Now to find the percent, we need to remember that a percent is just a ratio out of 100. So instead of just having this giant percent symbol like this, let's write it as a fraction out of 100. Alright. So we're trying to find what percent? Well, hopefully you can see that right now we're just comparing two equivalent fractions. So how do we get from 2,000 to 100? Maybe you see, maybe you struggle to see, but the answer is to divide by 20. 2,000 is just 20 100ths. So if we're dividing the denominator by 20, in order to create an equivalent fraction, of course, we must divide the numerator by 20 as well. And 120 divided by 20 is 6. So we can see that 120 out of 2,000 is the same as 6 out of 100. And so our answer to the problem, I'm going to kind of squeeze it up here, is 6%. 6%. So the principal spent 6% of the money on keyboards. Thank you very much. I know that was a quick video. Answer a few questions and we will see you in class.